Do you want to have good friends? Do you want to have more friends? Are you having difficulty making friends? Are you new to school? Are you shy? Do you feel alone, lonely? Do you feel sad because you don't have many friends, or the friends that you have are not good friends? Let's turn that around. In a very easy way, I'm going to show you how to have great friends, many friends, and most important of all, really, really good friends. How do you do that? What I want you to do is, when you go to school every day, pay attention and watch who is having a difficult time that day. Who is sad? Who got a bad result in a test? Who heard something harsh from the teacher? Who is sad coming from home because something happened there? Who fell and got injured? Go to that person and be kind to that person and really mean it. Don't be fake, because if you are fake, you're going to get fake friends too. Really mean it. Be kind. Be good. Say to that kid, "You look sad. I'm here. You want some company? Do you want to talk about it? Do you want to go play?" Write a nice note and just give it to them if that's easier. Or have chocolate or candy, something nice to give them, and just say, "I think you're having a sad day. I thought I would give this to you." And see what happens. Even a bully will change towards you. A new kid in school who's having difficulty in making friends because he or she is just new, be the first person to welcome the new kid in your class, the new kid in your school, and help that new kid and bring that new kid to your friends group, and you will have a new friend, and you will build many friends like this. Okay, now remember, every day pay attention to see who is lonely, who is sad, who is having a difficult time, and do what I told you to do.